Hi, this is Bima. So now I'm going to tell you about how to retouch photo by using the Lightroom mobile. So right now I will open up my photo. So a few days ago I taking my Canon EOS M photo, and I'm just want to show you here. So rather down here I have a like mirror for the reflection, and this is my old Canon EOS M. So right now I'm going to tell you how to retouch it by using Lightroom mobile. So right now I'm adjusting a little bit for the exposure, give it more with the contrast, and then try to adjust the highlight. I don't know how it's like, but let's try the shadow and then the light color to get more darker, and that's perfect. So the color temperature I will set into this one into more like a yellow, but I don't like it that much, so I will put in the blues, and then I will try to give it tints like a magenta or something. Then I put the saturation higher, just like that. And then this is one of the black and white, and but I don't know, I want to do the mix one, so I put into the red, orange, yellow. So let's try, because my Canon EOS M color is red, so I put in the red and then set the saturation higher, and then try for the okay, this one I think is better for hue in 0, and then luminance, let's try. Okay, that's quite enough, and then we set done, and then we put a constant about clarity, and then try for the dehaze. Right, alright, so we're almost done right now. I give a little bit of sharpening, and I think it's almost done. So what I'm doing right now is just exporting the photo, so you can put in here and then export, and then put the stick. Just wait in a few seconds, and then we're gonna have the like a before and after photo for the final result. So I hope you like it, and I'm really happy to share for what I'm doing here in photography. Let's check for the before and after. So this is the before, and then this is the after, so I think it's quite nice. And then so you can open up on your gallery, and then usually there is other Lightrooms, and then voila, this is the result. But if you want to see the before and after, you can back into the Lightroom mobiles, and then just go to your photo here, okay, and then tap for a little bit for the photo. Just hold on a second, it's still buffering. Tap it like this, and then this is the before, and this is the after. So hope you like it and enjoy. Have a good day.